Creative micro-teaching ideas for adult. What is micro-teaching? Micro-teaching is a powerful approach for educators to enhance their instructional skills in a supportive environment. It involves teaching a small group of adult learners for a short duration, allowing for focused skill development and valuable feedback. Creative micro-teaching ideas. Let's explore some creative micro-teaching ideas designed to engage and inspire adult students, creating an enriching and effective learning experience. Number one, engaging discussion. Encourage critical thinking and respectful conversations through interactive discussion that engage and inspire adult learners. Number two, problem-based learning. Foster problem-solving skills by introducing problem-based learning where adults collaborate to find real-life solutions. Number three, experiential learning. Improve learning by providing experiential learning opportunities, letting adults learn by doing. Number four, role-playing activities. Encourage empathy and understanding through role-playing activities that allow adults to explore different prospects. Number five, multimedia presentations. Bring learning to life with captivating multimedia presentations that combine visual and auditory elements. Number six, gamify the learning experience. Gamify the learning experience by turning lessons into enjoyable games, fostering engagement and motivation. Number seven, reflective journaling. Promote reflection and self-discovery through reflective journaling, allowing adults to deepen their understanding and apply knowledge. Number eight, project-based learning. Stimulate creativity and practical application of knowledge with project-based learning, where adults create something meaningful and well-structured. Peer teaching. Cultivate peer teaching to empower adults to become experts in a particular topic and share their knowledge with others. By implementing these micro-teaching ideas, educators can create a supportive and inclusive environment, unlocking the full potential of adult learners. Together, we embark on an extraordinary journey of growth and discovery in the realm of adult education. Thank you for joining us on this educational adventure. We look forward to continuing this quest for knowledge with you. For more detail, visit our blog w3ipedia.com. So thank you.